Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Join us as we delve into the world of crypto mining with a comprehensive review of F2Pool. Established in 2013, F2Pool has solidified its position as a leading and highly adaptable mining platform, serving a global community of miners. Find links to F2Pool in the description to learn more and begin your mining journey today. F2Pool has earned a reputation for its dependability, extensive multicoin support, and an interface designed with beginners in mind. This combination makes it an attractive option for everyone from hobbyist miners to large-scale operations. Supporting over 40 cryptocurrencies, including prominent ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Cash, F2Pool allows miners to diversify their portfolios and pursue the most profitable options. A key strength of F2Pool lies in its broad compatibility with various mining algorithms and coins. Regardless of whether you're using ASICs or GPUs, F2Pool accommodates a wide range, including SHA, SHA-256, Ethash, and SCRYPT, ensuring compatibility with most mining hardware configurations. Its real-time dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your mining activity, displaying key metrics like hash rates, earnings, and a complete payout history, empowering miners with transparency and control. The platform primarily employs a pay-per-last-n shares (PPLNS) payout model for the majority of coins, rewarding miners based on their contribution to the pool. Payouts are regular, automated, and feature low withdrawal thresholds, catering to both small and large-scale miners. Furthermore, F2Pool provides daily earnings reports, streamlining profit tracking for users. F2Pool excels in user experience, boasting a sleek, multilingual web interface and a dedicated mobile app. Both offer real-time monitoring, performance alerts, and straightforward setup instructions, making the platform accessible to miners of all experience levels. Advanced users can leverage features such as customizable mining settings and API access for enhanced performance optimization. Security is paramount on F2Pool, with robust measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and encrypted connections safeguarding your account and earnings. The platform is regularly updated, and a responsive customer support team is readily available to address any issues promptly. In conclusion, F2Pool presents a robust and user-friendly mining platform catering to a diverse range of miners. Its extensive coin support, efficient payout system, and advanced features make it a compelling choice for maximizing mining profitability. Check the description for links to get started with F2Pool and elevate your mining endeavors.